a maze of spring clouds, Mang stands right in front of our eyes, like a refined and graceful scholar, or an emperor who just changed into his incognito outfit. Mang is showing his kind and mysterious face in the radiant, rosy dawn. The mists stretch far into the distance in Mangshan. Layers and layers of mountains have already endowed themselves with deep blue silhouettes. Mangshan is deep and peaceful, boundless virgin forests, exquisitely standing among the mysterious mist. A pair of yellow-bellied tragapan are seeking food. They're constantly hopping and singing to the rosy dawn that is about to come. Walking in Mangshan, you will feel you happen to walk into an elegant painting. No matter in sunny days or rainy days, the mountain scenery itself becomes a classic painting. No need for splash ink or halftone or pigmentation. The original looks of the mountain is the perfect painting itself. Here in Mangshan, sunrise is the birth of a hope, while sunset is the bearing of another hope. Mangshan assembles plants from the south and the north. It is the largest and most well-reserved primary evergreen broadleaf forest in the humid subtropical area of the northern hemisphere. While walking in Mangshan, I can't help but spring up a pious respect to nature and everything on earth from the bottom of my heart. At the same time, I also begin to understand why experts from China and abroad call Mangshan the gene bank of animals and plants. Walking into the green immensity of the forest, roaming under the trees, experiencing fresh and natural fragrance coming from them, and you will feel the harmonious unity between human and nature. When spring comes, mountain flowers bloom over hills and dales, such as golden yellow primrose, snow-like magnolia, pink cherry blossoms, and red azalea. The annual Azalea Festival is not so much to attract more tourists as it is the appreciation and repayment from Mangshan people to the generous gift of nature. Water is the origin of everything. The mountain spring in Mangshan is limpid, sweet, and pure, so pure that no one can bear to use worldly vision to face it, and to use hand to touch it. Climbing to Monkey King village, looking up to the waterfall that pours down the 1,000-meter-high precipice, walking near to Reshui River and feeling the bluish glittering and translucent waves, you will find the creek is so clear that you can see the bottom. Fish breathe freely in the water. Small streams gather here and cultivate everything on earth. In all the waterfalls I've ever seen, General Stronghold Waterfall is the most unique one and can be called a splendid symphonic poem of water. It is one of the origins of Pearl River, Mountain creeks are trickling into racing river current, running south into Beijiang, the upper reach of Pearl River. Lao Chen, the snake doctor, is my old friend. After years of media coverage, he and the Syrian iron head snake that he discovered 20 years ago have both become famous among ordinary people now. Time flows in the clear creek, and the years are just like wheels. In all seasons of a year, which is gone is the running water, but the heart of people is forever young. As long as the Green Mountains exist, the life of Yao ethnicity at Mangshan will be forever auspicious and peaceful. Visit Mangshan and it's a view of the world. Everyone will have different interpretations of Mangshan. Outsiders see it as misty and mysterious, but Mangshan people interpret it as a dictionary where they could understand life.